Welcome back to Expert Crypto, guys. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. What are we going to be going over today? Well, we are going to be going over what Bitcoin's doing and some other altcoins that are going to be on sale. So make sure to smash that like button for some banter bags. Okay, if you guys want those banter bags, you guys have to change your profile pic to a donkey, and you guys have to be buying my small caps and pumping up my bags that my hedge fund always buys in first. So let's get into exactly the market. Let's go into Bitcoin and let's get this day started. Okay, so what are we going in for first right now? So let's go into the Bitcoin graphs. What's Bitcoin doing? Well, Bitcoin, have it on the 30-second scale. I'll put it to the 1-second scale so you guys can get some more anxiety. Kidding, all right? But we've been seeing quite a lot of volatility with Bitcoin currently. I have been seeing Bitcoin bounce off of our supports, pretty nice. And let's go into exactly where we're at. Sorry about that, guys. All right, so following our channel, pretty nice right now. But we have to make sure to understand we are going up in Bitcoin a little bit than what we just had here. We had this downwards movement with Bitcoin before the stream started. It did end up bouncing perfectly right off. And now we're seeing some more bullish tendencies with Bitcoin. It needs to break out of this channel to really get some nice gains going. We're going to see these alts pumping, guys. Look at this green that we're seeing. We're seeing a wave of green, a wave of relief on every single alt, basically. That's great to see, right? We're going to see a lot of these alts pumping if Bitcoin does break this. So is the Bitcoin dip continued? Are we in a bear market? I want to let you guys know this. The past month, if you guys look at it, past month, currently, we have been in a bear month. We haven't had much price action considerably. Yes, it's been a down month, guys. Yes, it has been a down month. But if this does continue, this could be the start of the bear market. Okay, this could be, we hit this 65 level, boom, we saw this massive dip, a little bit of a run up, boom, dip again. So if this dip does continue, we can currently say that we're in the bear market, all right? But we're still gonna be making money during the bear market because we have these strategies to really accomplish gains during the bear market. We will be the most profitable crypto channel through the bear market. I can promise you that. We know what's coming. We know that these waves of altcoin pushes happen very fast. We know how to take our profits, and we know how to stay one step ahead of the game. And yeah, so Bitcoin's pumping up. Let's go check out the coin market cap right now. We did hit around 46K Bitcoin. I thought that was going to be the bottom for Bitcoin. We have seen Bitcoin bounce off of 46 3 or 4 times. Hasn't really gone below that, and I don't see it pushing below that. If it does, we might see a 44 to 42K Bitcoin. Nothing below that. Nothing really is going to concur. I don't see that pushing below 46, first of all, but anything below 44 or 42 is just rubbish, okay? But yes, we have been in a little bear month, so excuse the thumbnail. I didn't support the thumbnail, but you guys know what? Sometimes you just have to roll with it and take these punches, right? So what do we see in the market? Well, everything for the past hour. Let me go on CoinGecko real quick to really give you guys a visual representation of the past hour. We're getting some breathing room. We're getting some breathing room with a lot of these alts. It's nice to see a green hour. We've been seeing a lot of red hours, but we are currently, as of right now, we're seeing most of these alts down around 10% to 7% is the average, in my opinion, in the top 100 at least. And that's not too bad, guys. That really isn't too bad to be seeing that, especially with the size of Bitcoin's dip that we've had. I'm surprised we don't see a lot of these in the 2 figures, 10% plus, but we were able to pick off a couple of these that made some great gains. And that's always a great thing to be able to do. But what do we see right now? Well, we're really looking towards Ethereum currently. I want to see Ethereum go on a very nice run. It does look like it's about to break out. We might be seeing a 4K Ethereum. What makes me say that? Let's go into the charts. So we see Ethereum kind of going against the tide on Bitcoin a little bit. We've had a lot of run-ups with Ethereum that haven't really correlated too much heavily to Bitcoin. And right now we're touching this 38,100 or 38,13 level with Ethereum. And last time we saw this major dip with Ethereum, we saw a run up, though that was above 4,000, but it came around this 38 level is where it really stopped. So I do see maybe this channel repeating itself in a lot of buying action towards Ethereum over the next day or two. We could be seeing a bullish Sunday, but it's a little too early to say that. So I'm not going to just yet, but it is good to see Ethereum straying away from Bitcoin and not being as well affected as it was earlier today, and I do see it catching back up to normal pace. With that being said, Ethereum's up around 5%. That's great to see, at least in the past, the past like hour or so, since we hit this 36.22 level. Look at guys, bounced exactly right off of our supports. And it's going to continue to do that because we have great support levels, we have great resistance levels, we have great charts. You guys really don't need more than this to really judge where the market's heading. All right, so let's get into some alts. So we have the market cap dominance, first of all, guys. We're almost at the 30 level. We still have another retracement downwards. You guys see we have consolidation, and then drop. If you guys scroll up, you guys can see this for yourself. I don't want to teach you anything that you guys cannot see for yourselves. So look at consolidation, drop, consolidation, drop. We're seeing a lot of consolidation and then drops. This is what happens with these altcoins. All right, they get wound up and then they just drop. So that's really what we've been seeing. We could even go back up here to really see how this has been working. Consolidation, run up, drop, and this is going to continue to trend downwards, guys. It's going to continue to trend downwards. I do see a large drop coming. That could be once Bitcoin hits that 52 to 53 level. These alts are going to moon, bringing this down to around 39, and that will be very nice for our portfolios. And do I see that happening tomorrow or Monday? I can't really tell as of right now. Hopefully it happens tomorrow, but it's probably going to be happening Monday or Tuesday if I had to guess. But yeah, Bitcoin's doing great. Cardano is hovering at the 230 level, guys. 230, I can't believe it. We do love to see Cardano outperforming the markets, but now we know that the market's basically based off of more hype than fundamentals. We learned that the hard way or the good way today. I guess we still make kids off of Cardano, but we learned that today, okay? Not talking trash about Cardano. But we know that this is something that's very hyped up right now. There's a lot of things with a lot better use case than Cardano, with a lot better network. And yeah, I mean, that's great to see our bags run up. But just be careful with Cardano. When the hype dies down, we do see a lot of regression in the past. How many times have you guys heard the saying, Cardano, $5 moonshot? Okay, we've heard that quite a lot. I've seen it quite a lot. And every time we have these massive run-ups with Cardano, what happens? We get a little consolidation period, and I see that repeating itself. Okay, I see that repeating itself. A little consolidation, run up, little consolidation, run up, little consolidation. And is this the end of this run-up? Probably. We could maybe reach the 250 level, but that's my max bet on Cardano for the next week or two. I do see a lot of consolidation happening with Cardano. Normally it underperforms the market, but we've really had that hype factor, okay? We just need a few Snoop Dogg tweets. We need a little Elon tweet. Elon Musk will never tweet about Cardano. He knows. But yeah, you guys, okay, by the way, I'm not going to get deep into that rant, but yes. We do love to see Cardano up. We love to see our bags doing good in Cardano. What happened to Matic, guys? What happened to Matic? We had a little bit of a sell-off. Is this a good buying opportunity? Yes, I would say around $1.57 level. Wouldn't be the worst buy for Matic, but you guys were getting a little roasty toasty with me about selling your Matic too early. And I want to let you guys know, when we have these huge run-ups, what do we see? We see consolidations, we see sell-offs, we see that type of thing happening all the time. And I'll just circle them for you so you guys could really get this first run-up, boom, sell-off level, right? Sell-off level. Second run-up, consolidation and sell-off level, right? Third run-up, consolidation, sell-off level, right? And then we have this consolidation, sell-off level. This is just in the past 5 minutes, by the way. But if we go back to 3 hours, when's this? April. Right, boom. Sorry, this is a little bit confusing chart just because there's so many lines in here. We've been following Matic for quite a while, guys. We could say we're Matic chart pros. Basically, I probably am at this point. Here's the consolidation level. Here's the consolidation level, right? Boom, boom, boom. And I do see a little bit of a consolidation level, maybe for the next couple days, and then I do see another run up incurring with Manic, pushing it over that $2.50 level. So that's let's say you buy it at $1.50. That's around 60-70% gain on your good old Manic, and that's a pretty nice gain to be getting from Manic. But we just need to hope for the market to stay bullish. If we have another bearish day tomorrow, that will make a lot more buying opportunities. I'd probably be dollar cost averaging into a few of these trades. We did mention a few trades in my last stream, but Manic was not one of them just because it was hovering around $1.88. Did not want any of you guys to buy the tops. Don't want any of you guys to be some apes. Get out of the ape mindsets and be consistent, and you guys will be a lot more successful. So what do we see with KSM? KSM, right? Well, we saw KSM have this run up, and now it's just been hitting this support level around 600, bouncing off of it. It can't go above 600 because the market's not allowing it. Bitcoin and Ethereum are like, no, KSM, you cannot go above 600 for too long without us shoving you down. And Elon just tweeted about Doge. Time to put in a leverage trade, guys. Time to put in a leverage trade for me. I'm just trying to get around. All right, here we go. Let's see what this tweet's about. All right, let's see what this tweet's about. First of all, I need to put this in first. Sorry, guys. Emergency. You got to make some money. Emergency. All right. Boom, boom, boom. Sorry, guys. Sorry. All right. Well, did he tweet? Okay. No, he didn't. Did he? All right. Yeah, he did 14 minutes ago. Guys, look at this. What did I tell you? What did I tell you guys? If Elon Musk, the richest person in the world, why would he look at Doge? Okay, ideally, Doge speeds up block time 10x, increases block size 10x, and drops fees 100x. Then it wins hands down. Told you guys. I told you. We talked about this earlier. Why would the richest person in the world just be trolling us? Okay, if you're a rich person, you want to have the community behind your back. Just saying, guys. I'm guarantee you that Doge will stay top 5. It will have a use case. Elon Musk has been working with devs since 2019, if you guys did not know that. 2019, he's been working with devs. Why would the richest person in the world be working with devs just to troll the world? No, he's not going to be doing that just to troll the world. He's going to everything Elon Musk has touched in his life has been a successful investment. Just throwing it out there. And you guys see it with Doge, and I guarantee he's going to make Doge a great company. If you guys hate on that, you can't have emotions, okay? We're emotionless. So let's go look at the Doge price right now. I just put in my trade. We'll go through some other ones. I don't want you guys following my Doge trades just yet, unless you guys are qualified enough you could figure it out on your own. Sorry for being a little bit off topic there, but I missed that 14 minutes ago. I got a notification. Didn't really pay attention to it. Dang. Normally I'm on top of that stuff, guys. So we went over KSM. We're going to see a breakout with KSM and Kerr when Ethereum and BTC are looking a little bit more bullish. But as of right now, still very, very undervalued, guys. Still very undervalued. Wait, what does it say? Flash crash incoming? No, maybe. I mean, we've already kind of had a flash crash. All right, so I do see us maybe touching this 536 level. Great time to put into a buy order on KSM. 536, 526 would be very great levels. Maybe 507 if we have another bearish day tomorrow. Might see KSM dip that, but this is just a discount on KSM. Under 600 KSM won't last for the next couple weeks. We'll have to see how the market reacts, but as of a bullish market, as of a 55K or 50K Bitcoin, 600 KSM is not going to be in play. Sushi's been a little bit stagnant. Downwards trend, very, very harsh downwards trend on Sushi, okay? Let me actually do it from right over here. All right, so a little downwards trend with Sushi. Nothing to really be too upset about. I mean, it's gonna come up, guys. Eventually, we're just waiting for exactly. Just put like 4 lines in there. We're just going to be waiting for. Bitcoin and Ethereum to look a bit more bullish in the short term. But I really want to see a $22, $23 Sushi before I start to take some profits on Sushi. We have been buying them throughout these dips, And I still am bullish on sushi, guys. I'm still bullish on the majority of these coins. I just have to set a stop loss and just have to watch the market very closely. And I do see DOT breaking out, guys. I do see DOT breaking out. We did see a little run up today with DOT in the current market that we're in. 5-6 days from now, you guys are going to see above a $50 DOT stay, depending on where the market's going to be at. Okay, I'm just going to, you guys understand. Okay, you guys understand. Harmony, massive breakout for Harmony, guys. Look at this. It just skyrocketed. It just absolutely skyrocketed here. And why did it do that? People are catching on to Harmony. Okay, we had over a 30% run up from then. And I didn't tell you guys to do this trade, by the way. I did not tell you guys to do this trade, but I have been hyping up Harmony for quite a while. So has a lot of people, just because they understand the tech behind them. So I'm not going to say we made money on this. I know a lot of you guys were holding them though from beforehand. But yeah, consolidating a little bit around this 15 to 1540 to 16 level. I did not think this would happen to Harmony. I thought people were just going to keep ignoring the tech and keep ignoring that Harmony is very undervalued. I'm not looking into Moon Juice, okay? Moon Juice is not going on the stream. Tell me some use cases about Moon Juice, okay? Someone inform me about Moon Juice, all right? What else do we see? XRP staying above 54 cents. Guys, this was a great support that we drew. It's bouncing off of it. We could see if it stays above this, we could see this next leg up to around $1.70, especially with a bullish Bitcoin and a bullish Ethereum. Definitely going to see that $1.70 come into play with XRP, but just wait to grab some underneath. I would say the newer support level with XRP is around 146 to around 142. Still haven't really made that yet. Still not completely sure what Bitcoin and Ethereum is doing. I've been looking at the charts, guys. It's hard to tell on the weekends. It really is. But for the most part, I do see Bitcoin holding that 46 support 110%. But I do see maybe some low volatility tomorrow, but maybe a little breakout. We can hope for that, right? So XRP was a great trade for us, guys. We did see what is that? Around 15, and then if you guys sell it at 0.75, 0.70, that's 25%. That's nice. So let's go over the last two. I'll get into some questions after this. Yes, we saw Tron bouncing at the bottom. Last time we saw Tron take these dips, we did acquire some. We hit these sell targets on Tron, but we really need to think about long term. Okay, what does Tron offer long term? To be completely honest, I do like Tron long term. I do see next week or two short long term swing trade. I do see them hitting 20 cents. I won't talk about Tron long term. I do have faith on them, but I do see a 20 cent being a very hard support with Tron, as that's what most people are trying to sell. Maybe sell at 19 cents. That's a good price target. IRCL is just staying on this little downtrend, just consolidating around the support level. We're getting ready for a breakout, in my opinion, maybe a breakdown if we have a little bit more of a dip, but definitely a nice breakout on them. I think we talked about this one a little bit earlier. Let's see. When was this? May 13th. Yeah, I believe we might have bought some May 13th. I don't know. Maybe. I'm getting a little sleep deprived, guys. Have been up late. Probably going to stream kind of a little later tonight, get some sleep, and then be ready for tomorrow. Do some more streaming tomorrow. So we still see this kind of downwards triangle with Nano. Nothing really has changed since we last looked at them. ETC, not much has changed. This is ETC ETH. Not much has changed. There's still a bearish ETC ETH. We are in this support level, by the way. Once we break out of here, I do see probably a run up, but we do have some selling, some bears winning. But this is ETC compared to Ethereum. I do see a breakout, most likely occurring during this pair or with this pair over the next day or two. We'll have to see if it could really push over this. This is on the 1 day, maybe in the next 3 or 4 days. Cosmos broke through our supports. We're making a new support with Cosmos. Going to be right here around this 24 level, and it is looking like at almost the time to buy them. I would buy some around 24 if it did hit that level, and I would probably look at selling them around 30. I am bullish on Cosmos. Okay, I am. We have done a trade on them in the past, but let's see. When did we acquire some Cosmos? We got them here on the dip. When was this? 20. So we got them at 20 to all the way to 30 almost. So that's another 40-50% on them that we had. I do so many trades, guys. It's very hard for me to keep track. I just have all these tabs open on the trades that I have you guys do, and then I'm doing a bunch of other ones. Very, very confusing for me sometimes. Oh, guys, I think we did buy some from down here as well. If I highlight it, we probably did. But we probably have had maybe 10% of our trades not lose, but it's not like you guys are losing a lot. It's just 10%. And on most of these trades, when you hit them on these flash crashes, you're able to get 50 to 60%. 30%, we'll just say 30%, okay? 30% in the matter of a few days, because the mean average on these trades are probably going to be, at least my mean average on these 24 to 48 hour trades, well, I would say 72-hour trades, my mean average. What's the middle average of all my trades? No leverage, okay, just buying the bottoms and selling the tops is going to be around, I believe, let me check here, I have it written down. All right, let me click that. All right, so 39.44% is the mean. Okay, that's pretty good for a 72-hour swing. All right, that's pretty good to have your portfolio or whatever you guys are risking trading go up 39.44%. Just saying, if we had those happen all the time, you guys would be very, very wealthy. You would just keep on doubling up your money every week. But it doesn't happen like that. So you guys got to take advantage of these dips when they do happen. I know we bought some big. I know we bought some big for sure. Maybe we bought some later on. This isn't the right chart then, but just see what it is from the bottom right here. I would have told you guys to buy some Bake. I'm very bullish on Bake. They had that huge 400% run up. Huge 400% run up when they got listed. That's just 90%. This chart is old. I'm not sure. But yeah, I would be looking to sell them around, I believe I said $6.50 to $7. That's my price targets for Bake short term. And I do see them panning out, and that's going to be a nice gainer. I do have a considerable amount on Bake. I was very faithful with them. All these trades, I do have a considerable amount, guys. I'm not telling you guys to risk your money if I'm not going to be risking mine. That's just how I go, and I mean, that's how I feel like everyone is, though. So let's go to Solana. We saw that breakout, guys. We saw that breakout. Finally, okay, finally. Solana extremely undervalued. I do imagine a $48 to $50 Solana in the near future. And near future is probably a day or two, which would be around a 30% trade. We just need to be looking at Bitcoin. I'm going to say that every single time I go over one of these, but okay. Move your stop losses up, people. Move your stop losses up, just in case. Okay, I've had too much PTSD from not moving my stop losses up once I'm in profit and having them fall down and hurt me to not warn you guys. Okay, to not warn you guys. All right, so what do we see with VET? We see this downward momentum, guys. Look at this downward momentum from VET. This is a very, very, this is on the 5-minute scale, by the way, but guys, look at this downward momentum that we see with VET. I do believe it's going to break out sooner or later, guys, sooner or later. Not the best line, but let me put it on the 30 minutes. Okay, there we go. So guys, look at this downwards momentum from VET. We're going all the way back down to this level right here where we had this dip. We had this other dip here, and look what happens after both dips that we've had. We've had run-ups, okay? We've had run-ups. I don't see VET not pulling up a run-up, guys. It's a 40% run-up on VET on that one. It's a 20, or actually a 40% run-up on VET. Who knows? Maybe we get another 40% run-up on VET or C1. I don't believe we got into this one. We probably did. I always tell you guys to buy VeChain on the dips because I do. And why do I do that? Because of the risk versus reward on this. I do see that as a sizable trade. 40% in just a few days is nice. A little bit tired, as you guys cannot tell. Ready. All right, so we found the supply and demand zone. We did get some losses on this trade, I believe. Wait, did we entry take profit 728.40? Yeah, we did. I believe that one was right before we had this dip. This is why we don't do trades before dips. I mean, that's why you do more trades when things do dip, okay? When things do dip. But like I said, you guys win some, you lose some. I'm not afraid to show the trades we lose, but because you guys know. Because you guys know. You guys gotta lose some. You guys have to lose some in order to actually win some. But that's why you watch the market a lot. Alright, so what do I see with BNB? I do see BNB kind of forming a new. Maybe we'll see that breakout. Maybe we'll see a breakout. Maybe. It doesn't look like it's going to break out. It's too hard if it does. What am I looking at to judge that? Okay, so we just see a little volatility right here. Normally, when we see breakouts with BNB on the 3 or 5 minute chart, you see a steady rise, or at least that's what I've noticed from staring at BNB for days upon days. And now that we've had just kind of this drop, this steady rise, this drop, people get a little bit scared with BNB. There's not as much buy and sell orders going on when there's not as much volatility during these dips. These coins that were low volatility don't have too much room to break out, in my opinion. People are more focused on the high volatility breakouts. And with that being said, I do still see BNB maybe being able to hit the 580. Not as bullish as I once was when we had that first dip on them. Still a little bullish, but we'll have to see. Need more volatility in my eyes. All right, what's AVAX doing? What are you doing, AVAX? What are you doing, AVAX? Upwards trend, broke the upwards trend, making new support channel. A little downwards channel right here. Does look like it's repeating itself, guys. 1, 2, and then 3, but it's not as high as it was on these other 2. And maybe we'll see another breakout, guys, because every time we've seen this pattern right here, we've seen a downwards pattern, downwards pattern, downwards pattern, downwards pattern, but every time it's went down, it's gone up. It's gone up here, it's gone up here, gone up here. My bet would be maybe another $2 dip and then a upwards out. I mean, it looks like this is a pretty easy chart to read right now. Yeah, if the market stays bullish, probably will happen. I mean, I don't see it not happening if the market is bullish anyways, so. What's up? All right, what's up, guys? ADA charts, heart, prayer hands, prayer hands, prayer hands. All right. ADA is at 43.28 right now, okay? 48.23, okay? 48.23. What do we see with ADA? Well, we see ADA in this little upwards channel right now. I think we talked about them already, but maybe a $2.50 ADA is possible. But yeah, I do see that. Just needs to break out of this 355, and it's going to have the 40 cent and then the 50 cents. I don't see it going above $2.50. We have seen a bearish ADA whenever it does have these run-ups like it has. So probably see that happen again. ERSDL. I already did ETC, dude. Down 17% today. Not too bad considering the fact of the volatility that we've had over the past week. We've seen it larger dips in ERSDL than that. We even saw a dip around 3-4. But with ERSDL, volume has kind of died down off a little bit on the weekends. I do expect we see some more bearish Bitcoin. Bullish Bitcoin. We see some more bullish Ethereum. We're gonna have a large breakout with ERSDL. A lot of people are definitely going to be aping back into this one, holding it long term. It fell off right here. There was some FUD that came out, fell off right here, and went onto this downward frenzy. Not too many people really had as much faith as they did. Nothing can go up forever, by the way. ERSDL was going up forever. Kind of reminds me a little bit of the TrueBit chart. Quite a lot about the TrueBit chart. But yeah, still bullish on ERSDL. Of course I am. Stop spreading FUD. The picture you shared is very wrong. Michael Saylor bought BTC and Grayscale is adding as well. Look at their Twitter. Yeah, they just are now, Mr. Retta. They weren't earlier, just to let you know that. Yeah, they're going to buy it under 48, but most institutions aren't, Mr. Retta. If you looked at the other facts, most of them are true. This was posted like 12 hours ago. Grayscale didn't buy after that. Not FUD. So, one up 40%. Yep, it is. I don't spread FUD on this channel, okay? If I'm sharing something that Bitcoin's going to be bearish, okay, it looks a little bearish. It's not FUD, okay? I'm just sharing the unbiased news. You guys have to understand that there's some bearish news out there. Why would I be trying to trick you guys into thinking that Bitcoin's going to be bearish if I didn't think it? I don't know. I'm going to have you guys sell. It's not like you guys are going to move the entire market. All right, so on the 7-day chart, Polygon, number one. We have Rev, we have ADA, we have one FYI and KSM. Not too many bullish ones on the 7 days, guys. Look at, we don't have anything up over 100%, which is quite fascinating. Normally we've had weeks the past 4 months where we've at least had 2 or 3 that are up 100%. So it is kind of funny, right? RSR. All right, we'll go over RSR. I've already said ICP is not too known by people. Okay, it will be over $1,000 at least, maybe $1,400 is what a lot of people are predicting. But it is new technology. Not a lot of people understand what ICP has to offer, but eventually they will. That's one that very undervalued even where it is right now. But long-term hold, people don't understand the technology. You guys see Chainlink chilling. You guys see HDR sitting where it is right now. You guys see all these cryptos that have amazing fundamentals. They're going to last for a while, just sitting where they are right now. This is just because of the hype in crypto. Okay, no one wants to buy it because it's not hyped up and they don't understand it. All right, but that's why we go off the hype a lot. RSR is another crypto that has great fundamentals, but just not a lot of people know it. So that's my problem with RSR from a gain standpoint, from a long-term holding standpoint, and a elimination of these bad coins, and the somehow way that this hype will transfer over into fundamentals someday. Yes, I am very bullish on RSR. ICP price in 5 years, man. $1 million. I don't know. You can't. Maybe I couldn't even tell you in 5 years. Probably a 20, 30, 40x. I don't know. You can't make stuff up like that. Considering what the market's doing right now, in 5 years, no idea. Considering being in crypto for around 4 to 5 years, predicting 5 years ahead is very, very hard to do. But I have multiple predictions 5 years from now, guys. Multiple predictions. Is ETH being affected by Bitcoin's price? Yeah. It most certainly is. Yeah, I mean, I don't really have much more to go over right now except for watching some Cardano, watching some Ethereum, watching some Bitcoin. Probably gonna end the stream a little bit earlier here. Maybe I'll stream it later tonight if anything exciting happens, but as of right now, the market is pretty stagnant. It really hasn't done much since I've stopped streaming, except for the fact of really Bitcoin's just been bouncing up and down, hitting off our supports. Not looking too good for tomorrow, but we'll have to see. Okay, we'll have to see. I don't see it going below 46, but I may look at it a couple more times. Not much planned for today, except for just going over the old markets right now. Yeah, just really staying in a little small compacted channel. Broke out of this channel and then had another run down. This is where people are selling. This is where people are buying. It's still staying in this channel, guys. Still staying in this channel that we put here this morning. So it's pretty interesting to see. See if we could break out of this channel, right? That would be very nice. Okay, so what else? Cake. We'll go over some cake. I'll keep on going. Alright, so downwards momentum on cake, breaking out of this little downwards momentum, very slowly but surely. I don't see cake not really hyping up to above $34 or $40 unless they come out with some great news. Maybe we'll see a 12 to 20% run up with cake, but that's only if the market is looking bullish. We're going to see all these coins that were pushed down this much go up that much. Just saying, okay? Mark Cuban's right up. The Cardano guy is a dork. He's not a dork. He's just very Cardano guy is just very he's a nice guy, guys, but he doesn't have as good of a company as he. I mean, it's nothing wrong with the guy, okay? It's just Cardano. I I do love making gains off Cardano, but I don't love how Cardano is number 3 based off of its fundamentals. They don't have an actual product. And that's just how the market goes. You guys know 4 million students, right, are going to be affected by Cardano in Ethiopia. Polkadot has like 40 million students that they're going to have under their program in California. Just throwing that out there. 40 million for Polkadot, 4 million for ADA. Bigger ecosystem, bunch of projects for Polkadot. No products. You guys can buy wine with ADA. Okay, 74 million, 41 million. Doesn't make sense. Trending. That's the narrative, guys. What's your favorite deflationary token? Great question. Going to be with Ethereum. Ethereum for sure. Ethereum's going to be my favorite deflationary token in the next 6 months. Definitely going to be my favorite. Can't go long term on my favorite deflationary currency, but definitely do like Ethereum as of right now. Can we go over Matic again? Thinking about buying back in. Wouldn't say that's the worst buy. Dollar cost average. Let's go over some buying targets on Matic, actually. Not a bad time to be talking about that. Who would have thought we would be buying in Matic, guys? We would be buying back in Matic at over $1 like a couple months ago or a month ago. Who would have thought that? Who would have thought it up? I would actually, but I know a lot of you guys would too. Probably put a buy order in around 156, 147, 147, and then 142. 3 buy orders in. Wouldn't be a bad idea. But yeah, wouldn't say that's a bad idea. Thanks for the content, bro. Check out Inu. Was that a meme coin? Probably a meme coin. Like troll. You're trolling. All right, guys. Block the Inus, guys. Yeah, he's got the atom. He made the wine just so that he can. Yeah, probably made the wine exactly for that reason. All right, XVS. I haven't looked at XVS in a while. Don't have it charted here. I'm charting this one earlier today, off stream. Yeah, I guess that's kind of one. Their sell is so hard on XVS. Just see, what is that? 13, yeah. Alright, so I do see a drop coming with XVS soon. I do see it getting lower than 105. I think one of you guys has asked. Check out airdrop token, brand new token mooning right now. Rather not. I'm not big into airdrop tokens, okay? That doesn't sound tell me what sector it's in. I'm not looking at meme coins. I'm not getting tricked into looking to a meme coin that is gonna pump up because I look at it. You guys see what they're trying to do? They're trying to trick me into looking into meme coins. ADA's going to $5. Wait, ADA to $5 is coming, but when do you think? Probably 3 months, 4 months. No. Okay. Let's actually think about this. That's just me being salty that ADA has a terrible use case, but let's actually base this off of hype. Okay, let's base this off of hype. So what do we see? Let me go to. Can't do 1 week, 1 day. Move this a little bit out of the way. So what do we see with ADA? All right, so we had February 5th, we had this run up of around 224% all the way up to March 1st. We saw a consolidation period that was 222%. That put ADA around $50 billion market cap. No, around 30 billion, 40 billion, around that. No, $45 billion market cap with ADA with this run up. Okay, and what did we see from there? We saw it test this 143 support 1 time, right? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and then dip, then break out. Okay, how long was this period? We had what was this? March 19th all the way to March 18th. Let me make this a little bigger, actually. So it took around two and a half months to really break out of this. And what happened after it broke out of this a little bit, or it was longer than that. It was actually, sorry guys, a little bit tired right now. Just about 3 months for it to break out and double its price from where it's at right now. Go another 40-50 billion. I mean, we could see 3 months. I would say 3 months isn't a bad guess on that. But, I mean, we did gain the same amount of market cap almost that we did in that time period. I don't see people FOMOing into it, especially above $2. I mean, who's buying ADA above, like, $2.25, guys? Who would buy ADA above $2.25? I don't know. I don't know a person who would. Maybe if they get posted on Robinhood, they will get around $5 in a week or so. But you never know. You never know, right? We just need to see the hype there. Maybe, okay. Maybe Monday or Tuesday, if they keep the volume, we could see a $5 ADA, maybe a month or two from now. But it's gonna, I don't know. I don't want to touch ADA with the 8-foot stick right now because it has been absolutely unpredictable. And you never know what their CEO is going to tweet about. What token has the best fundamentals to match all its hype? That's a hard question. All right, guys, listen to this. What token has the most fundamentals? That's a great question to match its hype. I would say Chainlink. Chainlink's pretty hyped up right now, okay? But you guys have to understand. There is going to be absolutely no DeFi if we remove Chainlink from the system. Chainlink is going to run every single DeFi project, or at least most of them in layer 2. So Chainlink's hyped up, but you guys are going to see Chainlink absolutely explode over the next 5 years. I do see its fundamentals definitely there. Polkadot as well. No, Polkadot's not hyped though. Maybe, yeah, Chainlink for sure. Not Solana's not hyped up. I mean, we're just talking like top 10, right? Top 15. ICP is not hyped up either. I don't know. That's such a good question in my opinion. There's a lot of coins that have very, very good fundamentals, and they're just not hyped up. They literally can do the same use case as these other coins in the top 20, but yet again, they just don't have the price action yet. They don't have the hype. They have the team, they have the use case, they have the fundamentals, but they just don't have the hype. They don't have the Binance listing. They didn't become friends with the CZ CEO of Binance, and they weren't able to get in Binance, so they weren't able to pump. They weren't able to get on whatever exchange to get the market cap to really be top, whatever. It's all a game, guys. It's all a game on hype in crypto. Sadly, it is, but sadly, we can figure it out and make money off of it. So that's what we're really gonna get into. It's all a game, guys. Buy some Donkey Finance, guys. Let's go over some Donkey Finance. All right, so this is for the Banther Bags. Okay, with Banther Bags making this coin, he's gonna be able to donate 10 Banter Bags. Okay, 10 Banter Bags because he has you guys donating to his coin, and then he's gonna dump and then acquire 10 Banter Bags to donate to you guys. So you're basically donating to him to donate to yourselves. It's a pretty cool system. You guys are going to get taxed a lot for it, even though you guys could just donate to a charity for free, or not for free, but donate to a charity and get taxes off. So, as you guys can see, great strategic investment round complex, right? That's what a turd coin looks like, a scam coin. Right here, guys, you saw it. Hype coin. Link is fundamentally vile, chain agnostic, no competition, criminally undervalued. Exactly, criminally. But at the same time, you have to understand, ADA's fucking number 4, okay? ADA's like 4, okay? You have to understand that, man. Or ADA's number 3 or 4 or whatever it is, okay? It's number 4, guys. It has no product, all right? What are we? Okay, so ADA and Doge are 4 and 5 right now, okay? This is the world we live in. The top 5 coins are literally meme coins at this point. No hate against ADA. I'm just saying to have 0 projects and to make it on the number 4 list and to have another project where your main thing is the African mainnet Gogan. Polkadot is going to be controlling all the schools in America or in California, and ADA is going to be controlling all the schools or whatever. And okay, there's more to it, guys. There's more to it. I'm not going to get too deep into it. Maybe. All right, we will. Okay, we will. So, what does ADA have over Polkadot? Okay. So if we compare the two, I think I do have a list right here. You guys are going to be blown away. I know I'm probably going to lose a lot of you guys on this, but let me pull it up. This is just showing you guys DOT versus ADA. It's terrible. Is this it right here? No, I had it. I was going to tweet it out, but I didn't want to cause. All right, we're probably not going to go through it. Probably not going to go through it. Okay, it's probably best if I don't anyways. Okay, we got another Elon tweet, guys. We got another Elon tweet. Sorry that this stream is extremely ADHD oriented. I promise next streams in the next week or two, I will have a program like good old crypto banthers, okay? I will have exactly timestamps on what we're talking about. We'll go over the same schedule. I'll have a person who's going to put in funny memes while we talk. We'll get some crypto banter headshots or something. We'll throw him in there. We'll throw some shillboy cryptos or something. We could just have some fun poking at these people who are doing some funny stuff and, well, going over some gains, becoming the most profitable. I don't know why I gotta say that, guys. You guys already know this is the most profitable channel. We are not just making a crypto from scratch. Okay, so. Alright. So, look at this, guys. Why hate on Doge, guys? Why hate on Doge? I get it's a meme coin, but at the same time, there's money to be made there. We don't have emotions, okay? So why not just make a crypto from scratch that does everything you want technically and has a lot of dev support and doesn't have high concentration of ownership, at least initially? Only if Doge can't do it, big pain in the neck to create another one. All right, guys, you see that? That's pretty important, I feel like. I don't know. Just shows that the richest man in the world, one of the smartest people in the world, is going to be working on this crypto project, all right? So that's something that you guys are going to take into consideration. We're gonna have probably a whole talk about Doge at some point once I learn exactly their future ambitions. I know they have an ecosystem that they're going to be building off of, but there's still so much more to come, guys. There's still so much more to come. Let me get into some of your questions real quick. Overbought versus oversold. Can I ask a question? A quick explanation over overbought and oversold. It's just hype. That's really all it is. I mean, there's in crypto you can social interactions, okay? Social interactions or social activity on the networks can really see if something's overbought or oversold. Let's go over ADA, okay? How do we find out if something's oversold and overbought? All right, actually, I'm going to make this really easy for you, okay? I'm going to make this really easy. How do you guys tell something is overvalued or undervalued? That's basically what overbought, oversold is. Well, from a 1 hour, you guys could go to 4 hour as well. I'm not going to do that on there. Let's go to ETH. No, ETH is too good of a thing to do. All right, can't do bake. Let's go KSM, okay? Let's go KSM. There's a technical analysis standpoint you can do this with, right? You can do this technical analysis, or you can do this fundamentally to see if it's overbought or oversold, right? So, probably just do it 1 day. All right, so we see run-ups, okay? We see run-ups. Let's measure out every single run-up that we've had with KSM. So we had this 300% one in January, sell-off, right? And then we had this 150% one all the way in March. And how bad was this consolidation? How bad was this dip right here? We had 23% dip. This is mainly due to the dips in the crypto market. We had a 20% dip, and then we had another 30-40% dip, okay? So when something runs up with use case, right, it runs up, let's say this was the 300%. Wait, no, this wasn't the 300% run up. Maybe it was. This was like a 200% run up, and we had from here another 137. So we're up around 400 or 387% right here, and then we sold off 50%. And if it has good fundamentals and you guys see something down over like 30-20%, I do believe it's undervalued. Especially with something with use case. It's really hard to say what's overbought and what's oversold. You really have to know the fundamentals. But I'm just showing you an example. Compare how much the run-ups are and the sell-offs. If you guys see a sell-off that's over 50% with something with this much use case, does not make sense. Or over 40% with something with this much use case, does not make sense. KSM is going to be something that is one of the most undervalued coins, by the way. Just pointing it out there. Okay, KSM is one of those blue chips that you guys hear people talk about. Blue chip is KSM. It's been in blue chip for quite some time. Bitcoin is deflationary. I can't believe this hype of Doge. It's not hype anymore, SS. It's just something you have to accept. Get your emotions out the window and just pretend that you're in this alternate universe where Dogecoin is actually going to stay in the top 5 forever. We're probably there. What do you think of WooCoin? Absolutely love WooCoin. ADA crash after tech lag. Dude, like I said, Jacob, look at the top 5. Look at the top 5 coins, okay? Put your emotions out of this. Look at the top 5 coins, man. Look at the top 5 coins. And then look at the 6th one right here. We have Tether, guys. Like, this is what crypto is currently. I would say the 3, 4, 5, and 6 are complete, or just 3, 4, 5, and 6. Do some research into every single one. Can you look at Cody? Yes, we do love Cody on this channel. Every time I talk about Cody, I'm just going to say thank you, Haas. Thank you, Haas. A guy from the Discord, completely nice guy, great guy, does his research. A lot of you guys in the Discord have been doing your research too. I always appreciate it. I do look over basically everything. If I don't say anything, I'm either just very, very tired, or I like to just look at the reports silently sometimes as well. I do look at every single report. I can guarantee you that. I always look through research throughout the day. You guys don't think I do? I do. I'm always reading, guys. I really am. I'm always watching. I'm always watching over to my Banther bags, okay? I'm always watching over to my Banther bags. Yeah, we did have that breakout today. That does look fairly nice. Fairly nice. From down here. Bro, come on. Alright. I'm sorry, guys. Alright. We did have that breakout with Cody today. And it is looking like it's going to continue, guys. Look how nice this channel has been working out that we found right here. Okay, so this channel, kind of, we can go from down there, but that's a little too excessive in my mind. Let's do it. Alright. So here's the channel all the way from down here. Okay, all the way from down here, guys. All the way from down here. Look how much this has run up, guys. This is a beautiful looking channel. This is an example of a beautiful channel. Okay, 2 days, 8 hours length on this channel. You guys would be up around 50%. I don't think I shouted out Cody. If I didn't, I'm completely sorry because I did buy some Cody, but I know a lot of people in Discord do own some Cody because there's beautiful reports on it. Very, very undervalued. It's just going to keep on running up in this channel, I believe. I do see a $1 Cody coming very, very soon. Possibly by the end of the month. It really does deserve it, but like I said, it needs the hype. It really does need the hype. It is on Binance, so that's a good thing to see. What Discord? Okay, guys, I'm going to be posting a Discord link in the Telegram. To join this Discord, you must, 1, be able to write some reports, be able to not be absolutely toxic, and actually be able to communicate well with others and be a nice person and be willing to change your life. Okay, you guys are going to be joining this Discord with the goal of working at least an hour or 2 a week writing reports. I would say more than an hour or 2, probably 3 to 4 hours, writing some reports and really contributing to the community. We're going to be able to have a community together on this Discord that's going to help out everyone and basically do some research on some coins and really find out what's undervalued, okay? So I will post that in the Telegram. I will post another link. I know some of you guys can't find it. Join the Telegram. It's free. It's toxic as heck in there, but we will be posting that link. I'll post it after this stream. Make sure to like the video, guys. Make sure to subscribe as well. Be careful, guys, in the Discord. We're going to have a wave of people coming in. All right. Let's go over the market a little bit more. Get a little off topic, guys. All right, so 48K Bitcoin, 3,800 Ethereum. This is kind of what the whole day has been looking like, just $1,000 or $2,000 difference. What else? Cardano, chilling still. Everything's just the exact same. I started the stream at 48. It's 48 right now. Kind of looking a little bit boring. What do you guys want to go over? You love it. Already been on it the past. Buy-in price for Chainlink. Depends on how long. No, let's go over that. It doesn't depend on how long you're willing to hold. It just does not. Nothing depends on how long you're willing to hold. You still want to buy stuff long term at the best price, correct? Correct. Don't want to say that. All right, so my opinion, 42, 41 would be great buy-ins for Chainlink. Okay, we've seen it bounce off of 42 and 41 2 times, maybe even 40 if we do have another dip. I would just save that extra buying power for something else. Right, so 42, 41, great buying points for Chainlink. Musk just tweeted again. Let me go check the old Muskrat. You guys have to be staying updated on Musk. Let me show you this. Let me pull up a Doge chart to show you guys this. All right. Trolling me. Guys, look at, he tweeted, right? He tweeted. Look at this, guys. He tweeted. No, it's not down there, but he put it on 30 seconds. When did he tweet? How long ago was it? I think it was right here. He tweeted up 4%. Up 4%. This is on 30-second chart though. This must be when he tweeted 124. What is this? Maybe. I don't know. I do see Doge needing some more hype. I don't want to really show you guys this. The social activity wasn't too high today though, by the way. Social activity was down 22% today for Doge. But it will gain some speed. It will gain some momentum. I'm going to stop talking about Doge. We don't like Doge on this channel, but we do like gains. We're emotionless. New to the channel, loving it so far. What should we jump into if we're looking for a quick return? Well, we went over quite a lot of good buys right now. Definitely, if you're looking for a quick return, look for, go to the 7. Let's look this way and let's see what's down. So Digibyte, I'll look into Digibytes and Siacoin and Hot. Siacoin, actually, let's go look at Siacoin, guys. This could be a quick gainer. I haven't looked at Siacoin today. I forgot. I don't have them on my other thing. I added them, and I did actually have them added on here. So last dip, right? Look what Siacoin did, right? Wait, what is this? No, I thought they had more price action. All right, here we go. Is this April 13th? Is this Siacoin that I was talking about? Alright, I don't know. I do see Siacoin as a good buying opportunity still where it is right now. I'd probably buy some Siacoin around 30 cents and then around 27. Dang, guys, I really thought this was a little bit more volatile, but it's not. I still see this as an opportunity for some midterm to short-term gains. Probably sell around 42. That's around a 20 to 30% gain. You guys get it there. Oh, it's 45% from where it dipped at. Sorry, guys. Right. I don't know why. I just feel like this math is totally wrong. 30, 42, 12. That can't be right. All right, I guess that's right. Dang. Sorry, guys. I'm normally really good at math, guys. I'm really good at math, but I'm not when I'm this tired. I'm still at 100%. My brain takes a lot longer to process, but it's still processing beautifully, okay? I'm just a little bit in George mode. We do love George. We do love George on this channel, but he just talks a little bit slow and he takes a little bit of time to process. Welcome back, guys. What are we going over today? Let's go look at some news articles, all right? I'm kidding. I love George, guys. I will do a show with George once I get enough. Once I get into contact with him, I will do. That's the only person I'm willing to do a show with so far. $8 to $7 coming soon. Yeah, coming tomorrow. All right. So I was all ready to buy a Tesla Model Y. Maybe. TrueBit. Okay, TrueBit. What about Omni? I don't like Omni too much, by the way. I'm not the biggest fan of Omni. They got hyped up. They got shilled off by a bunch of people. Their use case is phenomenal, but their price does not match their use case, in my opinion. But they need some more hype. They've already seen what they can do with their hype. Hasn't been too much. All right. So, yeah, Doge is not a joke anymore. Correct. All right, let's go into TrueBit. I'm sorry, guys. A little bit ADHD tonight. Oh, I forgot, guys. Got some good old coffee. Did not do bad during this dip, guys. That's pretty phenomenal for TrueBit not to do that bad during this dip. Am I right? All right, so let's go check what Omni's at. That's what I needed, guys. That's why I was a little slowed down. I'm not tired. I just don't have coffee. Sometimes that happens. Look at the whale cell, guys. Look at the whale cell. Here. Look at the whale cell on Omni. All right. I don't look at Ami's chart too often. Sorry. Economy. Look how much it's been down the past 30 days, guys. 51%. It's up already 1,200% on the year. It's fairly it's fairly a new project, by the way. But yes, it's up a lot on the year. But guys, look at these whales just selling. I'm telling you, there's a lot of whales in Omni. I believe their wallet holding by their devs is over 30%. Don't quote me on that, but I believe it's over 30%. If something is held by the devs by over 30%, I don't suggest holding it. All right, Algorand. Don't drink and trade. What are your thoughts on Algorand? So we'll look at their price. I do have good thoughts on them. I do have good thoughts on Algorand. Alright, so let me go on the charts. I believe I have Algorand already on the charts. They're on yellow, so that means that they're alright. 25%. Wow, guys, look how far they went on this dip on April 22nd. Around a 50% return, not bad. Alright, so let's chart out Algorands a little bit. I know you guys ask about Algorands all the time. Let me pull up my notes on them as well. Alright, here's my notes. Sorry, guys. Let's go. So they're DeFi, institutional finance, government as well. CEO looks like the ERSDL one. I don't know why I have a picture of him on my notes. They have a large ecosystem of applications, a very, very large ecosystem of applications, but not a lot of them are very big. They do have Tether in there, guys. They have Tether in there, but that's cool. They have a lot of stable coins, actually. Here, I'll do this for you guys. Alright, so here's their what is this? This is their key stakeholders. This is their university partners. This is their ecosystem of applications. Not too bullish on a lot of these, but still good to see all these partners with them, to be completely honest. And then this is exchanges. I don't know why they put exchanges and wallets on here, guys. No one cares. Like, you putting your wallets on there is stupid. Like, of course. Like, I don't know why people do that. But yeah. And then here's their, I mean, you guys don't need to see the other thing. But they do have a certain amount of, they have a pretty large team as well. What else did I write? That's really all I wrote. I didn't write much on them. I'm not too bullish on them, but let's go to the charts. Let's go back to the charts. I haven't looked at them in quite a while. I mean, I look at them probably once a week, but not just from a technical analysis standpoint. Nothing more, nothing less. If it looks like a good buy, I will buy it. Alright, so we do see us at an all-time high. Wouldn't it be a good time to buy them right now? This is a key support. Maybe we'll see this little breakout if we do get some bullish tendencies. 24% breakouts, but then probably another dip in consolidation. But yeah, not too bullish on them. I do kind of like their ecosystem. I do think they're going to last, but I do think that they've already grown a considerable amount, and the 100-200% gains are going to be a little bit slower for them. How tall are you? Why are you guys asking this, man? Looperine, let's go Looperine. No drinking while trading. Now you're telling me. You guys are funny. You guys are a bunch of alcoholics, guys. Seriously. Not a problem with it. Okay, not a problem with it, guys. We did have this run up with them. When was this? I've been hyping up Looperine. Just very undervalued in my opinion. They're layer 2, layer 2, layer 2, layer 2. Big decks going to have zero fees. Zero fees on those decks, guys. Imagine being able to trade all your favorite cryptos all your favorite ERC20 tokens with a zero fees. Would you convert your ETH to ETH2? No. BTT Tron, just some thoughts future for them. All right. Tron future, it's 20 cent Tron. That's really all I'm looking for in their future. BTT. Let me look up BTT. You just want to know the price because my thoughts on them, not too highly. Okay, not too highly. BTT, I probably am a little bit more bullish on than Tron at the current moment, just because of where their price is as of right now. You see them breaking out. They're at pretty all-time lows right now, considering the fact of where they've been in the past. They've been around 13, and this was all the way back in April. But I do see them running up on price to around $1 or 1 cent, which would be around 61% gains from right now. They just need to come out with more products, more use case. But I am more bullish on BTT than what did you say, Tron? Short term, I do see Tron lasting long term, but I do see some things overtaking Tron's network. But I do see a 20 cent Tron emerging in the next week or two. Tron's just a little bit undervalued, but there's going to be other technology that's going to come out within the next probably 6 months that's going to make a lot of these cryptos obsolete. 6 months to 8 months, but yet again, hype and fundamentals. Not going to talk about that too much, but these cryptos will be obsolete. A lot of these cryptos will be obsolete and should disappear, but they probably won't disappear for another 2 years or 3 years, because of hype and misinformation and not knowing technology. All right, so what else, guys? Matic. Go see what Matic's doing. Good buying point for Matic. If you guys follow that 155 level, I do see that as a good entry point. And 147 and 141. Good entry points for Matic. Then ride them up to $2. What is that going to be? That's going to be around a 37% trade. Sell some off around 188 as well. It's going to be around 33. What's your long-term portfolio look like? Empty. It's completely empty, Jason. To be completely honest with you guys, to be completely frank with you guys, my long-term portfolio is completely empty. I used to own around 200, 250 coins, and then some dips happened, sold off a bunch of them, and I'm just looking for these short-term gains, focusing on that. I realized that that is of the most importance. I change my strategy whenever I need to. Change my strategy with where the gains are at, and I really try and focus on that. All right, so there's not a yeah, what a Chad. Exactly. I mean, if you guys are mega Chads, you understand that. Should I educate my audience on Wand Chain? If they have it on here, I will. Sweet. All right. So if you guys look at this chart right here, let's go to the max. Go to 1 day. Yeah, September 2019. I did buy some on-chain down here, by the way. Did buy some on-chain. All right. Drop a little lower. So down 50% in the matter of 6 days. I want to see another breakdown with them. I want to see them hit $1.15 again. I would really love to enjoy to pick up some on-chain at a price like that, guys. I really would. But let me go on the 5-minute chart and really get a better look at them. We'll go deep into their technical analysis. This is looking like kind of a great buy if it does drop a little bit lower. Those are their main supports, by the way. Here are their short-term supports. We have these dips right here where they're at. Guys, look at, they dipped very, very hard, and we haven't seen it really break out of this. It will eventually, I can promise you that. Well, on-chain, what do they offer? Okay, what do they offer? Let me look them up real quick. They're going to be able to be interoperability with multi-blockchain finance. Okay, so basically what you're going to be betting on is for these, if you have a public blockchain, right, you're going to be able to have private blockchains be allowed to really get data and get information from them. This is going to be very big in the future. Imagine a world where 5 years from now, people are using crypto. People are going to need to use on-chain. I'm going to tell you that right now. What else? Cross-chain decentralized exchange, cross-chain mobile payments, connected enterprise blockchain decentralized finance application. In my opinion, they are one of the best in their sector, if not the best. So just undervalued right now, completely undervalued. This is a great buy right here. Maybe a great buy around 133 and 115 if you're lucky enough to get it around 115. Just made everyone FOMO into it. Fala. This Fala, we've been talking about Fala a lot. Fala. Let's go over Fala. Fala. The amount of times you said Fala, I can tell that your whole entire portfolio is in Fala. It's okay. We finally hit the $1 mark on Fala. What a nice surprise. We've seen some major movements with Fala. Okay, we were at what, 70, 100% in a few weeks. That's not too much compared to what Matic has been doing. I am bullish on them substrate. But look at this right here. This is what scares investors. 177 million circulating supply. They're like, oh no, only 1/5 of it's out. When in reality, around 1/3 or 1/2 is out. Polkadot substrates are held. Their circulating supply is held by the network. Okay, held by the network, Polkadot itself. So that's what helps it. Guys, look at all these. Come on. If you guys click on substrate, you guys can look at all of these. Star, guys. Star. A lot of these do have some potential. All right, what else? Everything is dipping. Is it? Not really. Not everything. Not our coins, or the majority of our coins. Not the biggest fan of Theta. Why did I get kicked from the Discord on the first day? I've been here since day one. I'm not sure, Michael. Go into the, I think if I send a new link, you guys can rejoin and redeem yourselves. I'm going to probably allow that just so those people who got kicked the first time can really reshape their character. If they did get kicked, it was definitely for something, I don't know, maybe we have a rogue admin. Please cover Trubit. You almost did a few times in some updated analysis and info. Super awesome. All right, we'll go over that in a second. All right, we'll go over XLM after that and 1inch. Let me go on Dex Tools. All right, let me pull up the old Trubit. All right. So Trubit, Ocean Protocol CEO. Also this is not Trubit. I guess this is the Trubit graph, guys. Look better here. No, it's not. But Trubit, in my opinion, going to be around 3 or 4x from where it is now in a short period amount of time. All right, that's great. So I can't do TA on Trubit. Basically, Ocean Protocol and Coinbase co-founder support and are invested in Trubit. It's Ethereum scalability. That's what that's its main use case. Ethereum scalability. It's going to be implemented. We have two huge people in crypto that are going to be backing it up. We have Ocean Protocol, the Web 3.0, the I guess you guys can just say the Web 3.0 mastermind is going to be backing up that. So very, very bullish on Ocean as well long term. Harmony's trending, guys. Harmony's trending. I was going to go over 1 inch and XLM as well. Let's do that. All right, so we saw this support just being annihilated right here. It's gone down all the way to 67, and then it's gone all the way down to 64 at some points. But I do see some sort of bullishness coming with XLM. Just needs to wait on the markets to really redeem itself. Maybe not too much of gains. I believe we bought some down here, so we are doing fairly good. Anything under 64 cents for XLM is very, very nice. Definitely going to be bullish. I do see a 90-cent XLM, but it's probably going to take a few weeks for that to really happen. They do have an amazing use case. Let's go into 1 inch. I haven't charted 1 inch. Wow, guys, look at this support level right here. Look at this support level right here. On the 3 minute. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. Will it ever break out of that? Holy crap. I haven't seen a support level like that ever. In a high cap like that. Looks like it got like a fresh haircut. A lot of whales in 1 inch. A lot of Coinbase scalpers. All these Coinbase coins. A lot of people buy on Coinbase, hold, and they get taken advantage of. Because they don't have the ability to sell or they're not going to sell. By the way, that's how it works with Coinbase. I know a lot of people who trade Coinbase coins. A little bit of a downtrend. Wouldn't be a bad time to acquire some 1 inch, but guys, look at the support, guys. Someone's not allowing this to run up. Someone is not allowing this to run up right now. A lot of people. Someone has like a bot program on it, 1000%. There's a billionaire right now who's just sitting there, or got a team together, sitting there, keeping 1 inch down. Getting the scared people to sell out. I mean, 1 inch will be big, but at the same time, they're going to have a lot of competition. I do see them being very bullish. You see probably around a $10 1 inch within a month or two. So when these coins go on Coinbase, that's when the majority of them go to die. That's their graveyard is called Coinbase for their price action short term. But when no, the short term, yeah, their price action is a graveyard for most of these coins. But you guys do have Matic on there. All right. Solana is pumping. Yeah, finally, right? Finally, Solana's pumping. It was about time. RIP headphone users. All right. All right, yeah, Solana is doing some nice pumping right now. A lot of whale activity in between these little supports right here. Boom, run up, bot buying right there. Nice retail buys right there on 43. Someone had their big profits there. I do see a lot of consolidation coming around 47, 48. Be prepared for some consolidation. Maybe we'll see a run up to 50, but these three are very, very hard support levels with Solana, so don't expect it to moon just yet. Has a lot of resistance to get through. Only drink 8 of wine if you drink while trading. Yeah. Did you guys buy any Manic? Hopefully you guys have some Manic. It is pumping again. Alright, I swear I have over like 100 tabs open right now. Sweet. Sweet. Broke through that support. I wouldn't say it's actually pumping, but it has been pumping. Just up a nice sizable, what, 5% right there. The matter of around 10 minutes. When we started streaming, we were below this 5.5 level. Now we had a little run up, broke out of this downtrend. So expect a little price action when it breaks out of this little downtrend like we have here. Broke out of it, right? Boom. Gonna shoot upwards a little bit. We've already went over BTT BitTorrent. It's not looking too good on the charts, but it is looking better than Tron. I do see maybe a 30-40% on BitTorrent. Got Solana at 43. When should you sell? Probably around 50, 55, 60. Definitely hold long term though if you're in this for the long term gains. But there's some major support levels. It's too early to tell you when to sell. I'm not a financial advisor, especially when the charts are not very active. There is a lot of support with Solana though. I recommended buying more Matic at 155. We'll have to see. 155, 150, and then I believe 147. Where is the best chance to 2x in a week to save a friend's marriage? You guys. Yeah, I'm probably going to end the stream here, guys. Things are looking good, but we need some sleep. I don't see much happening with Bitcoin. We'll let you guys know. I'll probably wake up at some point in the night if I sense that Bitcoin's down. I'll stream or something. But I have a few other things to do. I don't want to save those for later. But going to be ending the stream there. And good night, everyone. Have a great night.